What's up, guys? Titan 1500, and today, look at this bullshit. Ugh. We're supposed to get 10 more inches tomorrow. This is not fun. Fucking getting the mail. This is not getting me in the mood for car parts or really doing anything car related. But I got injured. Yeah, on a ski trip, blew my knee out. So gotta work on car shit. So I guess there's no better time. So today we're gonna install a boost valve. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the wrap here. It's been on here for 2 years, and we're gonna see what the undercoating looks like. So let's start taking this off here. Let's see. Yeah, so it actually looks pretty good. You can see here, some places it's got a little abrasion, but it looks like that's maybe some rust coming through, not sure, but you can definitely see up there that's on the metal. But pretty good for all the expansion contraction, 2 years of being on the downpipe, the hot side, so definitely not a bad product. I know this pipe was a little bit more rusty than the other ones when I started making it, but overall holds up pretty good. After looking at it a little bit more closely, I don't think it's rust. I think it's just a coating of the undercoating. You know, maybe it's a little bit, but you can see the rust here, the color it is, especially up on the flange. That's what it would look like if it wasn't protected. Just like that, that's the rust. So if this was a downpipe, especially with the moisture in the wrap, the whole thing would have been rusty brown. So yeah, it just might be just the way it wears with the paint.
So it's touching there, nowhere else, and then there's a section on that side there. If we take that out, it'll start to slide back on the pipe again. And then we can kind of radius the bottom here.
Go ahead. So we made a diamond, so we're just going to try to cut straight lines to get most of this out, and then we're going to cut in at angles to make fingers to trim the rest since we have square cutting tools. So. Yeah, it's like change plans. We just went around the outside. We're getting closer. So we're gonna leave it at this for right now. Pick up where we left off. We did get the rough hole cut out for the boost valve, and we got this kind of lined up. It's not perfect, and I'm not going to say that I'm an expert at cutting these shapes so they fit exactly together. In my experiences, not a whole lot, but I've done some over the past, is that when you get close enough, sometimes it's easier to say, I'm done, and weld it up, even if you have a little bit of a gap. The wire feed, you can kind of build it up a little bit if there is a little gap there. I know people are just dying right now after I said that, but garage built mechanic, that's what you do sometimes. And a lot of times I found myself, I will wreck the piece because I'll keep chasing it and grinding the wrong spots. With a bunch of experience doing it, you can easily dig yourself a hole deeper. So I'm just gonna stop while I'm ahead or behind some of you. Anyways, so we're gonna get this lined up in place. I'm gonna tack it on, and I'm gonna start working my way welding around the edge, and then I'm sure you probably can't see in there very well, but then we'll go through and we're gonna take a die grinder and we'll grind out the rest of it smooth. So again, we don't go past the edge. It's another way I've kind of done it in the past. Showing you guys all those awesome fucking welding skills. Well, that's what rap's for, right? Prepare yourself. The welding experts are coming. They're out there. Okay guys, so as you can tell, we've finished this up here. Everything fits good. It's not looking too shabby. Liking the results here. I'm gonna grind this down for the next video, and then we're gonna be doing some basically DIY in garage coatings, you know, with these flame proof type of stuff. I got an awesome way to bake this stuff in the garage without having the wife kill me. Okay, so got the muffler off. I can't remember, the dynamat, like a quiet flow or something. It's got an S, the exhaust comes in, does an S, and so it actually has a little back pressure and it has packing in it. So I know people, I guess they flow pretty good for small block Chevy, naturally aspirated, you know, 500 horsepower stuff if you have two of them, but it necks down to 2.5 on the inside. So even though I bought it as 3, you can see on the inside it's not, it's necked down to 2.5, but I don't care. So I got the boost valve, so I can dump it. So I want something quiet, and hopefully this has a little bit of tone to it, just so it's not like a complete silent thing, but I'm pretty sure since the whole motor's going through one muffler, it'll have a little bit of tone to it, so that'll be fine. But as long as it doesn't drone the shit out of me when I'm going down the road and my wife will ride in the car with me, that'd be great. She's tight. Perfect. Okay, well, let's get the welder out. I'm gonna zap that on there, and then we should probably weld the boost valve on as well. What else? We can do this guy. Let's get it all done in one shot. Why don't we? Okay guys, so we got all finished up. We're ready to fire the car up first time. Let's take a look at how it went here. So we're all ready to go. I did a quick paint of the header with a high temp paint, rewrapped it quick. So I got it all wrapped up. Everything cleared just fine. Underneath. So you can see, we can see down here, I got the wastegates. They're dumping through both locations. The valve has plenty of clearance. Did a quick paint job of just like the tips and stuff, so it all lines up, but looks pretty good. Also, just did a quick test of the engine diaper, and that fits great. So we're ready to go for this year. So yeah, let's get it fired up and let's see what it sounds like. Oh my god, it's a little fumey in here, but I don't know how I feel about that. It is so quiet, so quiet. Oh, fuck. I don't know. I'm a big block, big cam guy at heart, so turbo's already a stretch for me, and not having that quiet. But I know that when I'm cruising down the road, that's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be so much better than the fucking drone that I was dealing with before. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we have finished up the cutout install. It is noticeably quieter. Right now the fan's running, and of course you can hear the fuel pump is actually like louder. The fuel pump's like louder than the engine. Pretty sad. Get rid of that pretty soon here. As you see some of the pictures, I did dynamat the car. So I have a screenshot of the car driving with cutout, just cruising without the dynamat, and then I have one with the dynamat. So the dynamat, the exhaust noise really hasn't changed much with it, but road noise and that stupid fuel pump is way quieter in the car now. It's not just in your ears the whole time. I'm pretty happy with well, it's actually called Kilamat. So yeah, let's get some driving. It's just gonna be quick. Let's do it. Get up to speed here. 70. Windows up, 75, 80. That's pretty good. Well, back where we started, except for it has changed. There's no more snow. It's been a pretty crazy spring here. Obviously the install and the video took quite a while as well, but we did just get almost a foot of snow last week and it's gone. So that's amazing. But anyways, so you've heard the video, you've seen that we've got over 10 decibel reduction in just the muffler alone. I believe in our roughly around 10 of that in the comparison was due to the dynamat or the Kilamat. So that was a great addition as well. So what you can see, it goes from 100 decibels down into 70s almost. Pretty amazing. Wide open throttle with the cutout open. I'll do some more videos comparing the mufflers. It sounds really bad, just open muffler. But just driving around, it's great. You know, I can't stress, it's been a great modification. So no regrets, not at all. So the links to the products that we used in today's video are down below. And those are my Amazon affiliate links. So they do help the channel grow and help create more content. And I really appreciate it, guys. I appreciate all the support you guys give me. And please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that button right now and give me a dirty thumbs up. Thanks.